I'm going to be showing you how we can use little bits to make a very simple circuit. And for this we're going to need a battery. This is a 9-volt battery. It's shaped a bit like a cuboid, and this is going to power our circuit. We will next need a power block. Now these are blue blocks and they look like this. If you look carefully on them, it says they're power. And we can see that the switch at the moment shows that our power block is on. I'm just going to switch that to off for this demonstration. And to connect our battery to our power block, we're going to use a white wire. And if you look carefully, the ends of the battery will fit perfectly into our wire, which will lead to our power block. You need to snap these in and be quite firm with them. And then I'm going to connect this end of the battery lead to our power block. And if you've done that successfully, nothing should happen to begin with. But when I press when I move the on switch to on, you should see a bright red light that shows us that this power module is on. If you have a look behind the module there's lots of circuitry, but we don't need to worry too much about that. We just have a look at the front of them. So these are called modules, and this one is a power module. We next need an input module, and for this input I'm going to choose a button. You can see there it says button on there, and again have a look behind it. You can see some of the circuitry there. Now hopefully this will snap in place. Excellent. If it doesn't, because little bits connects via magnets, you might find that it actually repels itself, and that's unable to connect there. It actually pushes it away using magnets. So if that happens, just switch it around and make sure it's facing the right way. That should fit in really nicely. And for this example here, I'm going to use an output here, which is going to be a buzzer. And let's just make sure that can connect properly. Again, let's have a look behind all these. There are the circuits. Now, what we've got here so far is a power module, an input and an output. When we push the input, something will happen to the output. Let's have a go. And as I press that button, the buzzer sounds. We could change this output just by removing a green block, and for this one I'm going to choose this. This is a simple motor. Let's get that connected. That doesn't quite connect in that way. Oh, perfect. Here we go. I'll just pop this down. So I've got my power module, my input. This is my output, which is a motor. And when I push my input button, you can see that the motor starts to spin. Now this is a really simple circuit using little bits.